guys, what's up? Welcome to this page. You are on this page because you want to change something in your life, okay? You want to start your dropshipping business in order to have more financial freedom and time freedom to work from anywhere you want and whenever you want, okay? You don't want to be dependent on your boss. You don't want to work for his dreams, okay? You just want to build your own profitable dropshipping business, okay? So when you are actually on this page, or if you're on this page, you actually spoke with me before or with one of my colleagues, and you know how dropshipping works, that we don't need to buy the products up front, okay? We just set up our online store, our highly converting online store, okay? And we build it up, and in the Platinum program, in the 101 program, this is actually the 101 program of mine, okay? So we actually have a course, okay? And this is the page for the 101 mentoring, right? So you don't want to wait or waste time, okay? You just want to go all in. You want to have a person where you can, or who you can ask every question you have. And this is the best thing you can do, okay? Because all successful people in the world say you need to get a mentor. And this is what we want to prove with this DSU Platinum program, to give people the opportunity to work one-on-one by me, okay? So you will get my WhatsApp number. If you have any questions when you're starting out, you can ask me, okay? You're gonna have weekly live calls, okay? Because it's very important when you're starting a dropshipping business, especially, you're gonna have a lot of questions, okay? And that's why it's always better to have a person who has already gone through that path, who has already had solution for the problems. This is why you need to get in the 101 program. So I'm waiting for you, okay? Just click on the button under this video to join the 101 mentoring, okay? Then you will get to the Digi store page, and then you can make the payment, okay, the secure payment, and then you will get my WhatsApp number, and then we're gonna get started. Let's go. See you.